Now that I've taught you how to build a basic vinaigrette, we're gonna move on to our second dressing, which is a classic, a garlic tahini dressing. I love using tahini as a base in sauces as it's a great source of plant-based calcium. It's got a smooth and oily texture and has a savory yet somewhat bitter taste. So I've gone ahead and added in around 1/3 of a cup of tahini into my bowl. And then we're gonna add in all of our additional ingredients. So I've got about 1-inch knob of ginger that I've grated. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that in. 2 garlic cloves that I've minced up in here. So we're gonna go ahead and add those in. Some fresh pepper. Little pinch of salt. So then we're gonna go in and add in our apple cider vinegar. So we're using around 1/2 tablespoon here into our dressing. And then you wanna add in a little bit of sweet. So we're gonna add in some maple syrup. Then we want to grab our whisk and we just wanna add in our liquid slowly. So I'm using water as our liquid base. So I'm just gonna slowly pour in a little bit. And then I'm gonna work in the whisk and slowly start whisking all the ingredients together. It's starting to look really good here. So the rest of the water is going in, and then we're just whisking some more. And after about a minute of whisking, you're done. So you can go ahead and pour that onto whatever veggies you want to use, or you can store it in an airtight container in your fridge, and it'll last up to about 5 days.